The human stomach is so acidic it matches the stomachs of scavengers like vultures. The acid environment helps digest and neutralize what's put in. We don't notice anything until this lower esophageal sphincter relaxes and acid refluxes up, causing heartburn. Sometimes food can cause excess stomach acid, but which ones do that? Sometimes we're told spicy foods do it, but spices from capsaicin, which probably doesn't increase acid. Sometimes we're told sour, acidic foods do it, but vinegar and lemons aren't as acidic as stomach acid. They may have an effect, but are we sure? One medicine that treats GERD is called a proton pump inhibitor. At the inside lining of the stomach are cells that take in potassium from the stomach contents and exchange it out for acid to put into the stomach. PPIs block this process, preventing acid release. But this also means that eating a lot of potassium-rich foods could increase stomach acid, and if the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes at the same time, it could end in heartburn. Something to keep in mind next time you feel some burn, because